back. So we're going to go into Smeeborg and then go down to Function Junction. And I'm going to show you the challenge that's level 3. Now, a function is kind of a program within a program that you can go back to, and instead of having to write the steps of that program, you just have that particular program set aside and you can say, okay, now run that function. So I'm going to look for a pattern that I can use in this function. So if I was going to just do sequencing, I'm going to look and see what directions I want my character to go in. And it looks like right, up, right, down, left, down, right, up, right. So I hear two similar programs, and that is that sometimes I want my character to go right, up, right. So I'm going to make that my function because I can use it twice in this program, and that will save me time writing my program. So I'm going to put the function tool up, and now in the bottom right-hand corner, it gives me a place to write that program. So I said the pattern is right, up, right. And by running that function, that's going to take my character to here. Now I'm going to use my regular programming, just the sequencing, and going to say down, left, down. And then I get to a point where I can repeat that function of right, up, right. Because where I am right now is at the bottom of the screen here, and the 3 remaining commands are right, up, right, which is my function that I wrote. So I'm going to just pull the function tool up into my programming line and say run that program now. So that looks like a successful program. I've tested it, so now I'm going to run it. And I can actually tap this arrow twice and run it at double speed.